I'm going to show you how to do taxes using TurboTax. You can file going to their website. It's turbotaxintuit.com, right? TurboTax. So first of all, you need to create an account to do taxes, right? You need to have an account. So once you're here, if you already have an account, you can just enter either phone number, email, or user ID and enter password and login. If not, you need to create an account. Here, see, click on create here at the bottom, create an account. Right here, once you click on create your account, you enter your email twice here, and you can create your user ID and enter the phone number, password, and create an account. Once you create your account, once you log in, I'll walk you through simple steps. I'll show you, it's not anything advanced. I'll show you how to file online quick. Okay, I just created my account. Once I log in, this is what you would see. You can just click on let's go. So these are the options where you can choose. See all these things. See if you are a student, if I'm paying off student loans, I paid rent, I own a house, all these options. You can go through each one of them. Or if you donated anything over $300 to any charity, or you can donate to multiple charities. If you donated a total of 300 or more, you can enter them here for tax write-off. Okay, if you own a business, you can click on this. If you're self-employed, this one. If you sold stock, like if you bought and sold stocks, or if you own a rental property, this one. Okay, all these things. Let's continue. And if you have dependents, this is the one. I guess you need to select one. I just want to start with this one here, the first one. Let's start. If you want tax experts, I think it's just have to pay a little extra fee for it. If you want the tax expert to handle everything, then it costs even more. Let's start with the first. Let's click on this and continue. So it's very less fee, right? $39. If you include state, if you want to do state separate, that's up to you. But it's nice if, $39 is not a lot. If you think it's expensive for you, you can skip that, right? It's your choice. Let's click on let's see what the other options are. These are the other options you can choose from. Full service, it's $269. This is good, sometimes you get stuck and somebody can review before you submit. They can help you with any questions you have. This is not bad for $119. So you can start free and you can always upgrade. Let's start for free. Let's go, and you just have to enter all the details here. So let's say, how do you do your taxes last year? So you can choose whatever way you want. You can say other. It's good so far. So you just answer. Here there are three options, right? Single, married, and that's complicated. So if you're single, you can do single. If you're married, you can do married. There'll be an option to file jointly or separate. So let's see what single is. Did any of these apply in 2021? You can go through each one, and if anything, suppose you paid rent or if you have children, all this, you just have to, like say college student, like this, you just select whatever is applicable for you. So let's go and see. You just have to continue and let's try married. They have same options here. Let's uncheck these. You can click on that again to uncheck, right? I guess they have the same option. So let's do the single one then. Let's say paid rent, right? Let's and college student, let's say continue. Wow. If you want to go back, you can always go back. Let's say not college student, just say I paid rent, right? That's just want to show you simple. If you have a job, you need to select this. I'm sure you have a job. If you have a bank account, you can show your vehicle registration fees. If you won any lottery or gambling, all this, go through each one and just say, you can say show more. You can choose, okay, if you bought and sold some stocks, you can choose. And this one, if you had some, or if you bought some crypto and traded them, you can choose those, right? Fine. Okay, let's select all these and let's continue. I'm just showing, you can select whatever is applicable for you. All this, just you have to go through it. It's very simple, you just have to go through, they'll tell you everything. And you just have to enter all these names, and if you need any help, it won't let you go past this, right? So if you have any questions, if you get stuck, there's always help. You can search for help, or you can search online, you can go to turbotax.com, or you can call them. This is how you sign up, and since without entering the information I cannot go beyond it, I'll show you once I enter all the information. Okay, this is how it looks once you enter all your name and all the information. So this is your info. Then this is the federal taxes. If you included state tax within the TurboTax, the one you paid extra, I think it showed $39 or something. So you can do all at once and e-file. You can review. Once everything is done, you can review and e-file at the end. You can pay if you owe anything to IRS, you can pay using your bank account, link to bank account, or if you're getting refund, you don't have to worry about it. This is how it looks. Okay, first you need to do one by one. Income and expenses, then deductions is like if you can put your medical expenses, or if you donated something, or if you've given any gifts, all those one by one. It will walk you through. It's very easy. Under income and expenses, there are self employed work. You can, if there's anything, you can choose and enter all that. Enter something here, then you can add another line of work if that's something different. So let's go back to income and expenses. Expenses, you will have self-employment income and expenses. If you have that, you can update that. Then if you have any investment or savings accounts, you need to enter all of them, all the banks and mortgage accounts or crypto, anything, all those. Then if you have any foreign accounts, this is where you have to show all your income and expenses. Okay, then next one is you have to go back to let's say federal deductions and credits. This is where your tax breaks, right? You can if you have donated, or like you can card registration, you can show, I think, but you can read on each one. Then medical expenses, if you have contributed to traditional or Roth IRA, you can show all those in here. If you have any other ones, you can show under deductions and credits. If you donated to Goodwill or Salvation Army, you can include them also. And let's see other tax situations. It says, do you have any uncommon tax situations to apply? You can read what they are. You can click on learn more. It will give you what these are. Like for any question you have, you can click on learn more. It looks like this, right? We are under other tax situations. If you have any questions, you can always click on learn more option. You always have in all the pages, so you just have to read everything and go through it. Let's say federal review. You can say yes or no. I say no. No update amount, or it's if you got the stimulus. Use all. It's all very easy and straightforward here. So you do one by one all these sections, and once the last one, federal review, is done, you just have to submit, and you can do e-filing. Okay, I hope this helps. If it helps, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.